Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the director of music and organist at the church. We're not at the church right now, as you can tell. We're at my home office. I want to talk to you about what's going to happen on Sunday, August 15th. We're going to be celebrating the liturgy of Mary, Mother of our Lord. All the music and all the readings will be reflective of that title. It just so happens that this liturgy falls on August 15th. That's the actual date that we would observe it anyway, but it just happens to be a Sunday, so we're going to really do it up at St. Paul's. We're going to be singing the Canticle of the Turning. We're going to be singing the Magnificat from the Holden Lord's Prayer, which we do almost every Advent and Lent. And something special this week. For the postlude, which is the music usually played by the organist, at the end of the service, we're going to ask the congregation to please be seated and listen to one verse of Franz Schubert's Ave Maria, sung by George Hudspeth. Now, some of you are going to say, whoops, we're getting really Catholic now. No. In fact, Franz Schubert never wrote that song to be used by any denomination or any religious organization at all. He took the words from Walter Scott's poem called Lady of the Lake and turned it into this beautiful piece of music. Now, if you remember, I think it was the 1940s, Walt Disney did a piece called Fantasia. He used it also. He used it at the end of Modest Moszowski's Night on Bald Mountain, when you see the monks climbing the hill to the church. And it goes from that very heavy music into the very light, spiritual, calming beginning of Schubert's Ave Maria. Also, did you know that Shirley Bassey and a few others made it very popular during the 1930s? I think it's 1938 and 1939. Several people made it very popular. So we're going to be doing it at church. Sunday, August 15th, celebrating Mary, Mother of our Lord. Tune in to Facebook at 9:30 a.m. or better still, come on down to the church live and join us in the singing. Thank you for listening.